Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Learning for Fun. In today's video we will be learning about some of the basic formatting options in Word. Now Word is an excellent software. It's an excellent application software which can be used for any text related work that you are doing. Okay, so you have different options with you of how exactly the text can be placed up, and normally many people really work on it. So today I'll be talking about some of the very basic formatting options on Word. Having started with, I just have some text from the Wikipedia page of MS Word, and today I'll be using this to show some of the formatting options. Now, uh, let me just start up with a very basic formatting option of font, which is available over here on your home tab. So you can see the concerned font options which are there: bold, italics, underline. This is strike through, so if you select any text or if you just turn this option on and start typing, it will be appearing like this. Okay, so what it is just a strike through, which means this particular word is being striked off. Okay, that's not required. This is the option of subscript that you have, superscript that you have, and certain formatting options which are over here. Okay, so let me start up with how you can change the font style. So you just have to select the particular sentence or particular word, and then from here you can get the different font styles which are there in your system. So once you selected, that particular selected word would be changed to this font type style, and of course you can change the size from the drop down which is available next to it. Okay, so as I'm increasing it, you can see that the size of it is increasing. Right, so this is one of the basic features that I was to talk about. If you turn something as, say, superscript or subscript, then it will be going on like this. So this is right now a subscript, and now it is a superscript. So you can see how it varies. Okay, another some more options which are present over here is like you can reduce the size, you can increase the size, and this is what is important. You can change a particular paragraph or whatever you have selected as, say, now I want it as capital each word. So you can see that each word is now starting off with a capital letter, and like that there are other options also, like toggle cases there which reverses up the way it was there, and then it can be sentence case, so just the first word which is starting after the full stop would be with a capital. You can also make it all lowercase and all uppercase. So these are some of the options which are there, and you can also change the color of the font using this option. So it's like right now it's red, green, blue, depending on whatever font color you want. Okay, there are certain advanced options which I am not covering up right now. So that is about it. You can even highlight from this place. I've highlighted it as yellow, green, blue. So that option is also available under the font ribbon. Under the under the home tab, you will be getting this option in the home ribbon. Okay, so other options which are there, now I'm moving to another ribbon which is there on the home tab itself, which is of paragraph. So some other formatting options are available over here, like you have the option of the alignment. Okay, so right now let me explain you what is alignment like. So alignment is the way your text is appearing on the screen. If you can see, let me just make it all left aligned. So now if I explain you what is left aligned, if you see the first and the second paragraph, you will see that it is being flushed from this side, which means it is coming in a straight line, and it is not flushed from the second side, which is the left side. You can see that it is still coming in a zigzag manner, which means this is right now left aligned. If you take a look at the third paragraph, this is right aligned, and if it is right aligned, it is flushed from the right side, and then a zigzag line is coming from the left side. So it's all in a straight line, and the opposite side, the left side, is a zigzag. Right, so this option is available over here. Like I have clicked on this paragraph, and what is the alignment? It is left. So the default thing of it would be appearing over here. If you want to change the alignment, you just have to click on the concerned paragraph and then change the alignment. Like this is right now is right alignment. So remember that it works on for the entire paragraph which is there. Okay, and if you want to work it for the entire document, you can just press Control A or go with the option of select all and then make the concerned changes. So this is left and this is right, and it can also be done as a center align. And now in center align, the concentration of the word happens in the center. Like if you just pay attention to the last word over here, you will see that it is center aligned. Okay, so it's being placed up in the center, not towards the left, not towards the right, and you can see the zigzag lines to be coming up on both the ends. Now there's another alignment option, which is of justify. So when you justify anything, you can see that it is now being flashed up from both the sides. There's no zigzag line which is there, except for the last line, because it is ending over here and it cannot be expanded any further. Right, you can also see that the spacing between the words has been changed, and why is it so is because it is trying to spread up and create a flush towards both the sides. So that is the last alignment of justify. Now in this tab there are certain other options also which are available, like you can create a bulleted list. So these are the bullets. So when you turn the bullet on, you can see that there's a bullet option which is coming. Okay, so by default the entire paragraph is converted to a bullet. So whenever you are making any list, you can use the option of bullets. Similarly, you can also go ahead with the option of numbering. Again, I'm not explaining the advanced formatting options in this video because there can be certain levels also which can be created. Okay, so multi-level lists can also be created using the options which are available under the paragraph ribbon. Now, another important thing which you can see in this ribbon is about the line spacing. So line and paragraph spacing is over here. So here if you change the line spacing, you can see that the distance between the two lines is changing. So as it goes to 3.0, 2.5, how it is changing. Okay, at the same time there are if it is higher than this or lesser, or if it is something specific, you can go to the advanced option like line spacing options. You can also add and remove spaces before and after the paragraph. You can see what is happening to the last line, the second release of Word for Mac OS shipped in, right? So that is what is happening when you're adding space, and when you're removing space, then this is what happens. So these were some more formatting options. Further, we will be taking a look at something more. So now something more what I wanted to discuss is about indents which can be created up from here. Now what is an indent is, let me just increase the indent and show it to you. This entire paragraph is making a move, it is shrinking in size. So this is what exactly is an indent. Sometimes you are just describing something. Say for example, the first paragraph is about something, and then further we have a description about it, or something as in, or something like you are creating a sublist, or something like, say you're talking about the types of softwares, and then you want it to be indented with application software and system softwares and things like that. So then those things can be created up using indents. So when you decrease an indent, it would be moving backwards towards the left side, and when you are increasing the indent, it would be moving towards the right side. So this is about indent, another option which you'll be finding under the paragraph ribbon. And of course, if you have a list that you want to sort up, okay, like let me consider this entire thing to be a list right now, and now I want it to be sorted up. Okay, so I will go ahead with the sorting option which is available over here, and I say paragraph and I say okay. So what happens is, you can see the first word, no, sorry, the first, yes, the first word, the first alphabet which is placed up over here is F, followed by the first alphabet of Microsoft, M, then T, then U. So it is going up in an alphabetical order. That is what happens if you are going ahead with this sorting option. So if you have a list which needs to be sorted, you can go ahead with this option. Now I'll be talking about the very last thing that I wanted to explain in this video, some very basic options which are there, not the advanced ones, which I may be explaining up in the later video. So another thing which I wanted you to know is about headers and footers, because this is something very essentially required in most of the reports and records that you generate. So in placing a header or a footer, you just have to click over here. So you do a double click and it will be taking you to the header page. Okay, so the header options and header header related formatting would be coming up over here. You can see the options of header, footer, and page number also present in here. So if you want to place something as a header, it is going to continue throughout your document. Okay, so like I want to place the document title, I'm not placing anything right now, so you can see it is being placed. The entire formatting is changed up with this header option. Okay, so header is going to have certain things, and depending on the type of header that you have selected, it will be getting formatted. Similarly, you will be having options of footer also, where you can place your author name, you can even place the page number in different styles, and that is available over here. Okay, and if you want exclusively to be placing up page numbers, you can place it up using the page number options also differently, like first page, and it's coming up in different styles. Depending on the styles which are there in your system, you will be able to see them over here. Okay, now another thing which is very essential is, supposing you're making a report and you don't want the first page to be numbered or it to be little different, you can just see over here the options which are available. So you have the option of different first page. So when you click this, the first page formatting option is going to be different from the rest of the pages in the report. Similarly, if you are going ahead with different odd and even pages, then you can have different formatting options in headers and footers for odd pages and for even pages. Okay, so different header, different text that you want to place up in the left side pages and the right side pages, that can be done using different odd and even pages. So this was some of the basic styles of formatting which can be used up in MS Word, and I hope this video is something which is helpful to you. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to know something further, please share your comments in the comments section, and if you want to see such videos or you feel that such videos would be helpful for you in future, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a wonderful time ahead. Thank you.